Local news for Wednesday the 17th of April. Submissions are now open for the proposed Wairarapa Class 4 gambling and standalone TAB venues policy, and they'll close on the 15th of May. A hearing will be held in early June, giving every person who wishes to make a written submission the opportunity to be heard. An additional carriage has been added to the busiest Wairarapa service, the 4:25pm from Wellington to Masterton. This 9-carriage train will be the longest passenger service on the Metlink network by almost 20 metres, providing an additional 64 seats to the Wairarapa peak services, which continue to grow in popularity. Wairarapa Kaumātua is urging community restraint in the Kawakawa station dispute. Ngāti Kahununu ki Wairarapa Kaumātua Sir Kim Workman has asked the community to withhold its judgment around the Kawakawa station dispute. The Commission began its negotiation with the Kawakawa station in May 2016 but failed to consult with local tangata whenua. And in sport, a break for Capital Hockey this weekend. Daleford men picked up a 7-2 win last weekend over Nainai, while the women sadly went down 4-0.